Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove billing address from Shopify checkout. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify, and from here what we're going to do is we're going to go click here on settings here. So from here, once you're in the settings of your store, you want to go into shipping and delivery right here, because this is where you would be able to see the billing address. So once you're here, you want to scroll all the way down until you see packing slips right here. So you want to click here on a packing slip template of your store. So click on that. And from here, you would see some code right here, and we would need to edit some of this. And don't worry that this involves a bit of coding. It doesn't really have that technicality, because all we have to do is just delete the billing address from here. So it's very easy, and we're just gonna click here on preview template, and let's see what we're working with. And as you can see, we have the billing address right here, bill to right here. So let's say we want to remove this. So all we have to do is go here into the coding section, and from here we're gonna go press on Control plus F so that we would have this find feature. So we're gonna go for bill to and tap enter, and then you would have this right here. So you'd be able to find this. It says bill to, which is this one right here. So what we want to do is we're gonna delete this right here. So let's start right here, delete this, and we're just gonna highlight this until we delete all the billing address right here. No billing address, and let's end it right about here. And now we're gonna press on delete button on our keyboard, and now it's deleted. And from here, we just don't want this space, so I'm just gonna go and backspace right there. So now here it is. What we're gonna do next is we're just gonna simply click here on save. And once you've clicked on save, you just need to wait for it to load until it is now saved. As you can see, packing slip template has been saved. So from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on preview template again, and let's see if we still have the bill to address. And then as you can see, we don't have that anymore. It is now empty. We have successfully removed the billing address from Shopify checkout. And there are also options that you can do. Like for example, you can go here into settings, and you can go into checkout, and from here you can also click here on don't include on the addresses right here, but this is all in the customer information, just in case that you're wondering on how you can do this. And yeah, so that is basically it on how you can remove billing address from Shopify checkout. Thank you for watching.